How to hide your taskbar by default on your Windows. Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide your taskbar by default on Windows. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your taskbar and then just right click on it. Here you will find taskbar settings. But if you don't find the settings, then what you can do is always go ahead and click on your home, then click on personalization and select taskbar from here. Now, once you get to this settings, all you have to do is scroll down until you see this taskbar behaviors. Click on this drop down. And here you find different options like taskbar alignment. Right now it's on center, so if I just move it to left, all of my icons will be moved to the left, but I prefer it in center, so I'm just going to keep it on the center. Now, here you also find an option to hide taskbar automatically. Other options like show badge on taskbar apps, show flashing on taskbar apps, and share any window from taskbar. So you just want to basically turn this one on, and as you can see the taskbar is hidden now and all of this is filled out. So my screen is now full screen. Now if I want to access my taskbar, I just move my cursor down at the bottom of my screen and my taskbar will pop up. Now if I move it out, the taskbar will also be hidden. So if I want to access it, I just move my cursor down, and if I remove it, the taskbar will be hidden. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.